Quinn here. Happy St. Patrick's Day. There are a lot of recipes out there with honey in it for the Irish holiday. And this one hit the top of when I did a poll of what they liked. So we're going to do the baked honey mustard corned beef. There are other recipes that are just as yummy, and we'll do those down the road. So this calls for about 2 pounds of corned beef. And you're going to actually discard the spice packet that comes with it. And you can rinse it. That's up to you if you don't want it salty. And it takes 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard seeds and 5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Smooth, make sure it's very smooth. And Cox's honey, 1 tablespoon of that. And 1/4 cup of the brown sugar, which we're going to split in half for one part and another part. So what we're going to do first is we're going to rinse this and put it in our pan that has a rack. You can put a rack in there if you would like. It helps it so it doesn't burn. And we're going to pour water in the bottom. You can also put beer. I've heard of people doing that for the juices to come out. And then we're going to mix just these 3 ingredients right here and spread it over top. And then we'll sprinkle half of our brown sugar on top of that. We'll put it to bake at a 350-degree oven for 75 minutes. I'll also cover it with some foil. So let's get cooking. Right, so we got the spread ready and everything. We're going to put the meat fat side up, a little rack underneath. We're going to put about 1 inch of water in the bottom so it won't burn. 1 inch there. And then we're going to spread half of this mixture on top. So what I like to do is I like to put it on like this. It's about half. Use the other half of it. And then I'm going to spread it with this knife. And you want to also make sure you have a thermometer close by because you want to do an internal temperature about 145, which is about 75 minutes. So spread this on. And then I'm going to sprinkle half of the brown sugar, which is about 2 tablespoons. And we'll put it in the oven. So we'll see you back shortly. Oh, one more thing. I am going to put some potatoes around the edge and some carrots and some cabbage because I like my vegetables. And then I'm going to cover it with foil so that it kind of steams it, just like it tastes better. You don't have to do that. You can do that on the side and cook it while it's cooking. It's totally up to you what you want to do. All right, we'll be back. Okay, so we're back. So I've had it in the oven. It smells so good. And I loosely covered it. So I'll get this in there. Comes out, and what we're going to do is we're going to transfer the corned beef to this cookie sheet that's lined right there. While I'm transferring it, I'm going to turn this up to broil. I'm going to put the rest of the sauce on it, the mustard honey sauce, and sprinkle the rest of the powdered sugar, which is about 2 tablespoons. I did check it with my thermometer here, and it was at least 145 degrees. These meat thermometers are a lifesaver to get healthy on those, so we'll go ahead and do that. From 3 to 5 minutes, I have to watch it closely so it only turns brown. And then we should let it rest and relax for at least 15 minutes before we cut against the grain. Now the grain is the fibers on the meat, so we'll cut it against that so it's nice and tender. There we go, St. Patrick's Day. And I did find out when I did my DNA, I'm 15% Irish. I didn't know that, so I'm so excited I get to wear the shirt that says, "Kiss me, I'm Irish." Today I'm wearing, this is my lucky grandma shirt. And grandchildren, did you find the bee, the lucky bee? That's right there. So be sure to like my YouTube, share it, comment, and check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, And all these recipes are put below or on Pinterest. And have a sweet St. Patrick's Day. Bye.